Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Computer Network Technology, we started our second unit. So unit 2 is based on the transport layer. So in my previous video, we already covered the topic what is mean by transport layer, what are the services provided by the transport layer and transport layer protocols also. So in the transport layer, there are two types of protocols are present, UDP protocol that is user datagram protocol and the TCP protocol that is transmission control protocol. So we already discussed what is the UDP and TCP. So in the TCP, we discuss what is a TCP protocol and the features of a TCP protocol. So in this video, we discuss about the TCP segment format. So TCP segment format के अंदर कौन से components है source port address, destination port address, sequence number, then acknowledgement number, length, reserved bytes, flags, okay, URG, acknowledgement, PSH, RST, these are the flags, window size, checksum, urgent pointer and option and padding. So we discuss one by one. So first is the source port address. So it is used to define the address of application program in a source computer. So it is a 16-bit similar to the UDP protocol. Again, the destination port address, it is used to define the address of application program in the destination computer and it is also the 16-bit field. The next is the sequence number. Okay, here we are using the sequence number. Okay, so why we use here sequence number? Because in the TCP protocol, we can send the data is in the form of a sequence of byte or a stream of byte. Okay, so in a sequence number, for that we require the sequence number. So in the sequence number, a stream of data is divided into the two or more TCP segments. So here we are using the 32-bit sequence number field and it represents the position of the data in an original data stream. Okay, so the position of data is called as the sequence number. The next is the acknowledgement number. So here the 32-bit field acknowledgement number or acknowledgement the data from one communicating devices. So if the acknowledgement field is set to 1, that means it specifies the sequence number that receiver is expecting to receive. Okay, if considering the acknowledgement one is 1, so here they consider the receiver is expecting to receive more data. The next is the header length, that is H length. So this header length specifies the size of the TCP header in the 32-bit word. So the minimum size of the header is a 5 word and the maximum size of a header is a 15 words. So here therefore the maximum size of the TCP header is a 60 byte and the minimum size of the TCP header is a 20 byte. Okay, so among all these header length we are using the 4 bits only. The next is a reserved bits. It is a 6 bit which is reserved for the future use. The next is a control. Okay, in the reserved bit we are using the 6-bit field which is reserved for the future use. The next is the flags. Okay, so here the flags are used in the also called as a control bits. So each bit of a control field function individually and independently. Okay, so these are the independent. A control bit defines the use of a segment or serves a validity check for the other field. So what are the fields here? So So these control fields are called as the flags. So there are total 6 type of flags in the control field. The first is the URG, ACK, PSH, RST, SYN, and FIN. So for what is meant by URG? So URG field indicate the data in the segment is urgent. For the urgent, the URG field is used. The next is the ACK. So when the ACK, that is acknowledgement field, is set, then it validates the acknowledgement number. Okay, acknowledgement, if so the ACK is equal to 1, then we set the acknowledgement number. Okay, or it validates the acknowledgement number. The next is the PSH. So the PSH field is used to inform the sender that higher the throughput is needed. So if the position data must be pushed with the higher throughput. The next is the RST. RST is what? Reset. So reset is used to reset the TCP connection when there is any confusion occurs in the sequence number. Okay. So any confusion is occur in the sequence number, the RST bit is used. The next is the SYN. So SYN means for synchronization. So the sync field is used to synchronize the sequence number in the 3 type of segment. Okay. So this sync is used in the sequence number for the connection request, connection confirmation, and the confirmation acknowledgement. कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट मीन्स व्हाट, अगर हम सेंडर टू रिसीवर डेटा सेंड कर रहे हैं, सो कनेक्शन सेंडर टू रिसीवर अगर कनेक्शन एस्टेब्लिश हुआ या नहीं, उसके लिए सिंक यूज कर सकते हैं. देन सेकंड क्या है, कनेक्शन कंफर्मेशन. ओके, अगर सेंडर सेंड कर रहा है कुछ डेटा रिसीवर साइड, सो रिसीवर क्या करेगा, एक्नॉलेजमेंट सेंड करेगा. अगर एक्नॉलेजमेंट इक्वल टू 1 सेट होता है, तो उस टाइम पे क्या होगा, रिसीवर क्या करेगा, रिसीवर विल एक्सपेक्टिंग सम more data. Okay, so this is called as a connection confirmation. And the third one is what, confirmation acknowledgement. Okay, so से acknowledgement अगर वन सेट करते हैं, so रिसीवर क्या एक्सपेक्ट करता है, more data from the sender side, so that the sender send the more packet or data to the receiver. So this is the confirmation acknowledgement. So all these types are contained in the field sync. And the last one is the FIN. So FIN field is used to inform the receiver, the TCP module, that the sender has finished the sending data. And it is also used in the connection termination, like termination request, termination confirmation, and acknowledgement termination confirmation. So this FIN is opposite to the sync. sync के अंदर क्या था, सिंक के अंदर कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट. सो FIN के अंदर क्या होगा, टर्मिनेशन रिक्वेस्ट. सिंक के अंदर क्या था, कनेक्शन कंफर्मेशन. फिन के अंदर क्या होगा, टर्मिनेशन कंफर्मेशन. मतलब अगर हमें टर्मिनेट करना है, तो उसका कंफर्मेशन भी सेंड होगा एक्नॉलेजमेंट नंबर के थ्रू. ओके, एंड इन द सिंक के अंदर थर्ड पॉइंट क्या था, कंफर्मेशन एक्नॉलेजमेंट. अगेन इन FIN के अंदर भी क्या होगा, टर्मिनेशन acknowledgement or a termination confirmation. Okay, so these are the flags: URG, ACK, FSH, RST, SYN, and FIN. Okay, so the next point is the window size. So the window size is the 16-bit field that defines the size of the window. The next is the checksum. The checksum is the 16-bit field used in the error detection. The next is the urgent pointer. So URG flag. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा था flag के अंदर URG, that is urgent. So urgent, that is URG flag is set to 1. Then this 16-bit field is an offset from the sequence number indicating that it is the last urgent data. And the last one is the option and padding. So this option and padding defines the optional field that convey the additional information to the receiver. Okay, so this is the option and padding. Clear any doubt in the TCP segment format? Yes or no? Yes or no? So here we cover the source port address, destination port address, sequence number, acknowledgement number, header length, reserved, control bit, window size, checksum, urgent pointer, option and padding. और कौन से फ्लैग्स है इसमें URG, ACK, PSH, RST, SYN and FIN. Thank you.